Hi, this is Krista at the Secret Yarnery. Today we're going to be learning how to make the magic ring. To make the magic ring, lay the tail over your non-dominant hand and hold the tail down onto your ring finger. So just like that. Separate your top two fingers and wrap your yarn around those fingers, making an X. Flip your hand over and tuck your working yarn underneath your thumb. So now your thumb is holding your tail and your working yarn. Turn your hand so the top of your fingers are facing up, and you can see a short strand and a long strand. Get your crochet hook, slide it underneath the short strand, grabbing the long strand and bringing it under. Point the hook towards yourself, point the hook away from yourself. Now you're releasing your thumb, you're letting your tension slide, or letting your yarn slide. Put your hook underneath that long strand, lift it up and turn your hook facing down, releasing your tension and pulling it through that ring. Now you let everything go and separate your tail, and that is your magic ring. To work into your magic ring, if we're doing double crochets, still do your chain 3. This knot that you made is going to absolutely disappear, so that does not count as a chain. And then just work straight into your ring and going over your tail. So I'm holding both of those together, and you just work straight into that ring. And you can do as many stitches as you need to do in it, and you have as much space as you need. You do not have to get everything into one stitch. Oh, my yarn is coming over. Let me just finish this up. When you have enough stitches, whatever your pattern calls for, into the center of your magic ring, you are going to pull your tail, and because you've gone over it, it makes the center of your circle disappear. You can pull it completely. You don't want to break your yarn, but this acrylic is quite strong. And then I kind of bring my tail up to the top of my work just so it's on my hook going that way. So from the back over, my yarn will catch it, so I can work over it. Then you want to just slip stitch to join. And see, my tail is up on my second row, ready to be worked over. So you can just keep going with your pattern however it is, and you are welcome to work over your tail. Give it another pull now, because this is your last chance you can pull it, because now you're going to be working in that tail. If you're finishing your round, you just wanted to do this part, your pattern calls for a change of color. Then we will chain 1 with your working yarn, cut your yarn, pull your hook up and your yarn through, and pull your center again to make sure it's closed. And then you can even just tie these together. That's another little cheat. You don't want it too tight, because you don't want it to pull your ring or your circle down. But one loose knot and then a tight knot, and your center will never come open. So I hope that helps you. If it did, please like, subscribe, and share. And thanks for watching. Stay hooked.